Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add or install Facebook Pixel on your Wix website in just a minute or so. It's quite simple, and I'm going to show you step by step how you can do this. So first of all, you want to go into your Facebook Manager and then copy your Pixel ID. So this is my Pixel ID. You want to copy it, then go to your Wix website, select the website you want to edit to, select and edit site, then go into the dashboard, click on, let's see, marketing and SEO. Then once you're here, you can scroll down. You'll see all of this, right? So you want to click on marketing integrations. Then right there, you'll see Facebook Pixel. Click on connect. Click on connect pixel in the top right corner. They'll also show you step by step how you can do it over here and basically what it is and how it works. So when a site visitor has viewed a product page and blah blah blah. All I need to do next is click on connect Facebook Pixel and then paste your Pixel ID in order to link it. They'll also show you how in this GIF over here if you want to do it for your Facebook App Manager. But yeah, that's pretty much how you can do this. So you want to copy your Pixel ID and that's it. So if this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like, and then I'll see you in the next one.